This will make you more money, guaranteed to make you more money. If you're a professional investigator taking cases and that's how you make your living, this week, make you more money for sure. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Very quickly, you know my backstory. I ran my own agency for 9 years. That's how you pay the mortgage, the cars, the groceries, the whole 9 yards. This is how I did it, and this is the help for you this week. Talking about lead measures and lag measures. So here's what happens in our business. We get to the end of the month and we run the numbers, right? You are running the numbers once a month at least, I hope. And then you find out, did I make enough or not? You kind of know during the month, I'm a little bit short, I need to make another this or that. Okay, that's end of the month profit and loss. That's a lag measure. So in terms that a lot of people can understand very easily, in weight loss, when you step on the scale, you know whether you went up or down, but that's a lag measure. It's lagging the actual event, whether you gained or lost weight. In order to make more money, you need to measure and follow lead measures. So instead of lagging behind, you can see kind of in real time the lead measures, what leads to making more money. In the weight loss example, people who have lost a significant amount of weight, and that's myself included, people who gained fitness, myself included, you just don't get on the scale every day or once a week, whatever your thing is. They know, people who lose weight, I know how many calories I've consumed at lunch. I know throughout the day those types of things. So, how many calories you consume? Did you work out or not? These are lead measures that you're going to know before you step on the scale. Am I trending in the right direction or not? Am I doing the right thing or not? In your business, lead measures are things like generating leads, right? Making the phone calls, sending out sales letters, social media posts, blog posts, reaching out to generate business. If you know that if you use any kind of social media and you like to post twice a day, you send out a little blast or whatever it is, if you know that's really what it takes to keep top of mind engagement, and you're tracking that and you're skipping days or sending out one, you're only sending out 3 a week, that's going to tell you what your lag measure, your profit and loss at the end of the month is going to be. Whatever it is, if you post content once a week, you write a blog article or something like that, and then you email your list and you say, hey, I've got this new article, here's a summary for you if you want to read the whole thing, it's over on my blog. That's a lead measure. Did I do that thing that I was supposed to do every week? Maybe your thing is sending a letter in the mail, envelope, stamp, oh my goodness, the whole 9 yards. That 60-cent evolution now that postage prices have gone up, but half a buck more or less. If your thing is I send out at least 30 a month, and you get to the end of the day and you say I haven't sent one today, I haven't sent one all week, that's a lead measure. It's going to tell you your profit and loss at the end of the month. And more so, those types of letters tell you your lag measure, your profit and loss 6 months from now, because you're not picking up a client tomorrow because you mail a letter today, right? If you reach out to them every 30 days, then maybe at the 6 month or 1 year mark, they call you when they need you. But did you mail the letters? If you didn't mail the letter, you're not going to get the client. So measure your lead measurements, set them and hit them constantly in order that your lag measure, the profit and loss, the money you make, is there for you when you finally do look at that lag measure, which you should be looking at, of course. Look, the things we do, the skip tracing, background checks, surveillance, if you do process serving, whatever it is, we love that stuff. We eat that stuff up. It consumes us. We want to learn a new tip, a trick, technique. That's honestly the easy stuff. When you're starting out and you're early on, you get a phone number, like, how do I trace this phone number? It does seem like that's the hard thing. But you learn your sources and methods, and you are able to do those types of things. The hard part of this business, or any business, I'm convinced, is making money, getting the clients. And if you struggle with that, like so many of us, I did for sure, and so many people do still now, please do consider my very affordable book, How to Make Money as a Private Investigator, or the bigger thing, what I call the missing manual, Smarter Selling for Private Investigators. The How to Make Money as a Private Investigator, that book is the map. That's how you do it. The Smarter Selling for Private Investigators, that's the actual tools. So when you follow the map to the treasure site, and then when the treasure site says make blog posts or reach out on social media or whatever those things might be, that's when the tools in Smarter Selling for Private Investigators kick in and help you, so that you can have strong headlines, you can catch people's attention, get them to read or pay attention to your content. Now they're listening to you, they're considering you that expert, and when the time comes, they hire you. Bottom line, set lead measures, follow the lead measures, hit those lead measures, and not just look at lag measures like how much money did I make this month. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to me. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.